Hey guys, seen everybody else on YouTube throwing some videos up their toolboxes and what they got, so figured I'd give a little tour of mine. At the office here. Metric on the left, standard on the right. Got some stuff out on a job, so here's some stuff missing. I just got that left locker, so I've been moving some stuff around. Got it off this guy for a good deal. Come pass it out. It's like a bunch of little hammers in that box. You can switch the heads. Just a bunch of stuff. Custom bent. I don't know about you guys, but I got electrical tape wrapped around over the tops of my drawers to keep them from getting scratched. The trays stick a little sometimes, but we're deal with that and scratching it all up. And that drawer's empty. What I'm going to do is get rid of this big drawer down here and put two drawers in like that on the bottom, because I don't need that big drawer. Put all my cases in the locker, you know. And then some literature. Yeah, I got a duster daily. I guess that's a junk drawer, huh? That's like a junk drawer too. Yeah. yeah, that's it for now. Maybe one day here I'll take another video and go a little slower and go through everything and see what I got. Alright, see ya.